Hi friends, today in the Spotlight series we discuss about savings bank account interest calculation. So this will give you less time, more knowledge. My scenario is I am calculating interest for 1 month. Savings bank interest is 3.5% per annum. So I have taken an example. In one savings account, only 3 transactions are there. January 1st, cash deposit of 20,000. 5th January, cash withdrawal of 10,000 rupees. 25th January, cash withdrawal of 10,000 rupees. Now I'll calculate interest for a month. Then I'll show you the accounting entries also. So what is the formula for interest calculation? So everyday balance I'll take it into 3.5% per annum. So percentage means by 100. So 2020 is a leap year. I'll divide it by 366 days. So I'll get 1 day interest. You can see every day I'm calculating interest. 1st January deposited 20,000 rupees. So my balance is 20,000 rupees. First day interest is 1 rupee 91 paisa. I calculated the formula which I have shown you in the previous screen. Keep on. So on 5th he has withdrawn 10,000 rupees. Now interest is calculated only for 10,000 rupees. On 25th January he has withdrawn another 10,000 rupees. So from 25th to 31st there is no interest is calculated. So for the entire month interest is calculated as 26 rupees 78 paisa. So now we can see what are the accounting entries posted for savings bank interest calculation. So every day whatever interest accrued, so first we will debit the interest paid on SB. So interest paid on liabilities is expenditure. We will debit the expenditure and we will give a credit to interest accrual. These entries will be posted every day. So 31 days will post the daily interest accruals. So what will happen on the month end? So month end, if you add all the daily accruals, so total 26 rupees 78 paisa was debited from interest paid on SB, and if you add daily accruals, interest accrued credited 26 rupees 78 paisa. So on month end or on the interest posting date, interest accrual on SB will be debited 26 rupees 78 paisa and credited to customer savings bank account. These crediting to customer account will differ from one bank to another bank. Some banks will follow every month interest will be paid to the customer account. So in my scenario, if the bank is paying interest every month, this is applicable. If some other banks are doing quarterly, means 3 months will accrue, posting will done once in a 3 months. Some banks are following 6 months. 6 months will accrue. On the end of 6 months will post to the savings bank account entry. So once in a 6 months. Thank you.